Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is Dizzy Slay MUA, and today, this is new, we're doing a tutorial featuring the Beauty Bakerie sugar cookie palette. Now, I had to get my hands on this, okay? The blues in here caught my eye. And the fact that I had blue with some brown, so I knew I could play with it, I could smoke it and stuff. So, follow along. This is going to be a nice, fast tutorial. As you can see, there is no cutness of the creases. Okay, the creases is not cutteth. So we're going to breeze right through this. Stay tuned. So in the Beauty Bakerie sugar cookie palette, we're going to start with this pretty brown right here. It's called Crumb Evidence. This brand is just too daggone cute with the way they do these names. So I'm going to take my little packing brush and I'm going to place this in my crease. I don't know what kind of look we're doing just yet, so just follow along. I'll probably be cutting the crease or something. Do I want to cut the crease? I'm not cutting the crease today, period. So we are packing Crumb Evidence into my crease. And it's a nice like chocolate brown, like a I'm not getting like red undertones with it, like an ash. I don't know, it's cute though, cute as sun. All right, now I'm just patting the outer part. Let me add a little bit more right here. Any extra, I'm bringing it onto my lid just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, baby. Okay, so I'm not going to blend it out. I'm going to go right into the orange in the palette. It's called Dip Baby Dip. Ooh, now dip, baby, dip. Come on now, dip. That's this one right here. Dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby. Okay. And using the same brush, I'm gonna overlap Dip Baby Dip with the Crumb Evidence. So I'm gonna place this right on the outer part. You know, I live for a nice brown orange blend out. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. All right, now I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm gonna buff out the rest. Okay. I did tap into the orange before I'm blending, just because I don't want to lose a lot. I want us to see this orange. I'm here for this orange. That's a really nice like transition color. Okay, using the same brush, I'm going to go back into Crumb Evidence. And I'm just going to place it, because as you see, we lost some. So I'm placing it right back in my crease. Alright. Now, I couldn't wait to get into these blues. Time for the lid. Yeah, this is going super fast. I'm scared. I'm scared. So we're going into Cookie Jar. Come through Cookie Monster vibes. Alright. Again with our little packing brush. Ooh, that blue came up really pretty. Oh, that hurt. Alright, let's do it. Ooh. Ooh. This is like a nice, it's like very beginner friendly eye look that we're doing today. There's no crease cutting, like, and the blue is like so popping. It's really cute. I don't know if I want to do the whole thing with it. Look, I just keep putting the blue on top because why not? So cute. And make sure that that blue does touch the brown, okay? We need this stuff blended, blendiana. Looking this way that it looks like right now on the monitor, I want to keep it light in the front. Do I? Okay, I'm gonna keep it a little light in the front because there are definitely shimmers in here that I have to use. I don't know what shimmer I want to use. All right, so there's two shimmers that oh God, they're both calling me. So there's like this like tealish one called Stack Your Chips. I like the name. And the other one is Even Exchange. That's more silvery. So I think I really want some, I don't know what, I'm gonna use both. So we're gonna start with Stack Your Chips. That's this one right here. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so I'm going to start this one off first because it's gonna blend nicely into our blue. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. It's like you can feel like where your crease is, like where you would actually cut your crease. That's basically what I'm doing. It's like a little fake cut crease. Make sure you blend this onto the blue. Oh, this is so cute. This is really cute. Oh my God. I might go over all this blue with this just because I really like how that looks. Okay, keep doing it. Okay. And I'll go up. I'm going back in with cookie jar because I want to, you know, I like it seamless. Like I want to blend these two a little bit more together. That's better for me. Yeah. Looks really good together. Okay, and now the Even Exchange is like the silvery one, so I'm gonna pop that right there in the front. I think that's gonna make this look say bam, 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 bam. I hope. Oh, that's so nice. And I didn't wet the brush. This is the shimmer, it's just going right on. Like I don't have to wet the brush or anything. This is so pretty. Blend them together. I think it's just because it's like such a plain look for me. I'm like, I gotta do something. But I like it. I'm gonna leave it simple. I'm gonna leave it simple. I have other things in store and we'll get there together. So okay. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in my crease with Crumb Evidence. I just want it a little bit more brown. Make sure it's still hitting that orange. I'm coming up here. I really like the way that this is hitting. I think I'm actually gonna do a wing eyeliner. Not my little half wings I've been doing. Anyway, I just don't, I hate liners like when you open it and then it, like it goes choop choop. But I just like you see right there, like I just want that to connect. And then that's how I get a super thick liner. Like closed, it's like, ooh yes, ooh kill them. Then open, it's like real 80s looking. See, that's how I end up getting a Nikki wing. Because I'm like, oh, just a little thicker. Just a little thicker. I'm gonna leave it. I'm going to leave it. And I just won't open my eyes. I'll just never open my eyes. Problem solved. Okay. Going in with my Kiss Intensifying Brown, or if you have a brown liner, use your brown liner. Whenever I use brown shadows, I like to do a brown liner as well. So Make it a little thick because I want to add I think I want to add a little shadow down here, or at least smoke it out with the brown and then bring some of this light down. That sounds good to you guys? Gonna have to work. It's gonna have to work. All right. Okay, so I'm using Crumb Evidence to blend this brown liner out. Yeah, it's nice and smooth. Part of me wants to, okay, fine, I'll do it. You twisted my arm. Okay. This is kind of like a pencil tip brush, that's what they call these. This one, so I can add the blue with it. So I'm placing this like right on the edge of where I put the brown. The same tip I'm using, I'm gonna apply even exchange. I want that to, there we go, hit it. Oh yes. I swore I had my lashes sitting up here. You know, it's fine. So I'm going to go off camera because this is it for our eye look. Okay, nice and simple, like super easy to do. And so I'm gonna do this, the rest of my face and my other eye, off camera, and when I get back you're gonna see how this all came together. It probably looks weird right now, but I have faith. I mean, I'm a little nervous. So I need y'all to have faith too, so that this look comes together, because like I didn't cut no crease, there's no glitter, there's no extra shimmer, but we didn't need it because this, the way that this is picking up the light, I am okay. Beauty Bakery. So I'm gonna finish my face. I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so this is our final look. This is how it came together. And of course I wouldn't be me if I didn't add a little bit of something. Like I said, with the eyes, I didn't want to add any glitter or anything extra because I wanted you to really see how the shimmers on this palette actually came up. And that's why my eyes are closed right now, because you have, like, this is just gorgeous. And I feel like the camera doesn't do it any justice. Like, and that's without anything on top. I didn't want to do an extra liner. I just want you to see this in all of its beautifulness. So look, I had a couple little stones or whatever, a couple little stones, that ain't nothing. And to finish the look, I did use the Beauty Bakery, let me show you. I also used the Brownie Bar. It's dirty, but that's because I use this religiously, not even just on me, but me and my clients. This is so bomb to do bronzer with. So this is how I contoured. I contoured with this today. And I also use this for my blush and my highlight. Just this palette. For my lips, I finished that with the Cake Pop Lippy. This is in Funnel Cake. And then I topped it with Drive Me Glazy. I'm really excited for this palette. Yeah. Okay, Beauty Bakery, because y'all know, like, I stan their foundation. So when I saw this palette, I had to hop on it because it had the brown, like I love. It had the orange, yes, transition, and then it had the blues and the shimmers. They had me written all over it. Like, I had to get it. And I'm so glad that I did. And I hope that this video is helpful for you guys. I want to see you guys back here again, to be honest. TBH. I would like to see you guys back. So, I mean, if you could just like it, give me a thumbs up, gang, and subscribe. And if you hit that little bell, then you know every time I post a video. And I know I'm gonna have another one like probably next week. Yeah, because today's Thursday, so this would be out tomorrow. Today for you. Yeah. So if there's any other videos that you guys would like for me to do, any other tutorials that you guys would like up, something else you want to learn, definitely let me know, and I am more than happy to make a video specifically for that. Thank you for watching, and we didn't even get that ratchet today, but thank you guys for watching. It has been Dizzy Slay MUA. Oh my god, remember Lil Romeo used to, I could never Harlem Shake. Woo! I'll see you guys next time.